Hello, my name is Deidra and welcome to my YouTube channel, Clean Beauty Flow by Deidra. Today I'm going to be demonstrating an amazing hot tool and straightening iron by Mia Beauty. It comes in this beautiful little leopard protective case. This is a straightening as well as a curling iron, and I'm here to tell you it is one of the best I have ever used. It's by Mia Beauty, and it retails for $150, and it works absolutely amazing. What I love the most about this device, it literally heats up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit in 30 seconds. So it gets really hot and it works really well. Now, due to the fact that it gets really hot, they do give you very specific instructions on what temperature to have it at according to your hair type. For example, if you have really thin hair, you do not obviously want to have it to the maximum heat, which is 450 degrees. You want to have it at around between 350 and 375. If you have medium hair, you can go between 370 and 400. If you have really thick hair, you can have it between 375 and around 420. So use your best judgment. You know your hair. And this device works amazing. You do not have to have it at maximum heat before it will do your hair beautifully. So me personally, I like to have it at around 375. That's more than enough heat for my hair type. My hair is shoulder length. Full disclosure, I do get my hair chemically relaxed, and so that does straighten my hair partially. And then, of course, before I flat iron my hair, I like to blow dry it with a round brush. And I did use the Mia Beauty round brush when I blow dried my hair today. And this brush, I think, is the best brush I've ever used. And I've used tons of them. What I like about the Mia Beauty round brush, the bristles are really far apart. So it really makes it very effective for the heat traveling through the bristles and getting your hair as straight as possible. Now, you want to get your hair as straight as possible by using a brown brush and blow drying your hair. So by the time you use any hot tool, your hair is going to be partially straight already. So anyway, so like I said, started with the Mia brown brush, got my hair 80% straight, and now I'm going to make it even straighter by using the Mia Beauty straightening iron as well as curling iron. So I am going to plug it in so you can see how quickly it heats up. So one of the things that they do caution you when using this device, for one, when you're done with it, they suggest you do not wrap the cord around the device like that, which is what I did when I first got it. So instead, they recommend that you just fold it like this when you put it back in the protective bag. The cord is a nice 10-foot swivel cord that's tangle-free, so you do not have to worry about this cord getting tangled up whenever you use it. So the material that it's made of, it's very grip proof, and look at this little gripping device that you can use so you don't have to worry about it falling out of your hand. And another great feature, which is one of my favorites, if for some reason you leave it turned on, it will automatically shut off after 40 minutes. So I love that safety device. That is something really important to have in this day and age. It has dual ceramic heaters that distributes the heat evenly while you flat iron and curl your hair. And there's a built-in device called a infrared, it's called a negative ions. Negative ions that is supposed to help with static, as well as the natural infrared that it's made out of. So let's get started by turning it on. So when you turn it on, it makes that little wonderful noise, And then notice the little LED light there. It is starting to heat up very quickly. It takes 30 seconds, and so it's already at 300 degrees. So see how quickly that happens. And then once it gets up to the level that you want it, you can just press the little button. See, now it's at 400 degrees. I'll just let it keep going so you can see how quickly it heats up to the maximum heat. Now it's at 430 degrees. There is a plus sign and a negative sign. I am pressing a negative sign, and I am going to turn this down because I don't want it at the maximum heat. So it's at 370 degrees. That's more than enough to make my hair beautiful, get it straight, get it curly, what have you. And so it is ready to go. So I'm going to start by, let's take my hair down so you can see my hair. All right, so my hair is down. My hair is around shoulder length. So I'm just going to comb through my hair. And I'm only going to do one little section at a time. It's good to have a little sectioner so you can just, effectively do your hair and section it off as you go along. Okay, so my amazing Mia Beauty hair device is available and ready for me to get started. And let me explain the retail value. This retails for $150. Some of the leading really popular hot tools that are out on the market right now, for example, one of their biggest competitors, I've tried this hot tool, loved it. It's the GHD. Now that one retails for $250. The Mia Beauty, it only retails for $150. So the Mia Beauty works just as well. It has all the same features and you save $100. I absolutely love this and I'm so happy I have it. So let me show you how fabulous it works. Okay, so I am going to do the front of my hair first. And I am going to curve my hand. By curving your hand, it gives you a nice little curl. So when you put it through your hair, it's important to keep moving. Notice I'm keep moving. And when you keep moving, you're going to prevent the chances of overheating your hair in one section. So pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to do this side. Do the front part of my hair first. And clap it like that. Notice I'm turning the curling iron. And by curling it, I get these beautiful curls. I like it. Okay, so I'm going to do another section. Okay, one little section at a time. I'm starting from the roots and I'm pulling it all the way through, and then when I get towards the end, I just curl it. All it takes, just curving your wrist a bit. So not only is this device very easy to use, it's very quick. I love that it heats up very quickly and it really smooths out my hair, plus gives me curl. Alright, I'm going to do this side of my hair. And notice I am just pulling it through. And my hair is almost done. One little section at a time. And you will curl your hair very beautifully. Okay, Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to curl the top part of my hair last. And by doing that, I'm going to take this little section in the back here. I'm going to section it off and then secure it with a little clip like that. And by doing so, I can get to the back of my hair more effectively. So I'm going to take kind of like the middle part of my hair and I'm going to run the flat iron through it. So I can just, I'm going to run the flat iron through it and take a little section at a time. So before I do the very back of my hair, I'm going to do this little part. And I'm going to run the curling iron through it. And look at, not only is it straightening my hair, it's curling the ends. So I'm going to do that. So I curl this part. I think I'm going to fasten it like that. All right, so I just have the other back part of my hair to do. I'm going to run the curling iron through it. The flat iron, curling iron, it's the same thing. It is a straightening iron as well as a curling iron. And I'm running it through it and I keep it moving, curl it towards the end. If you want to curl it, all you do is just turn it just like you would a regular curling iron. Now I'm doing the other side of my hair. I already ran it through. Now I'm going to curl the ends and all I do is just kind of like slightly turn my wrist. Okay, so it looks like it's getting done. It is getting done. All right, so the back part of my hair is done. I am going to now do the top of my hair. Save the top for last. And I am going to take little by little, and notice I'm starting towards the end, starting at the end, and then pull it through. So each little part of my hair gets curled. Okay. So I'm taking little section by section to make sure each little part of my hair is curled. Start at the ends, pull it through, turn it so it curls, and then voila. Actually, I'm going to curl it a little bit more right there on the end. Another little section. So see, start at the ends, turn and pull it through. Turn and pull it through. Here's another little section. Start at the ends, pull it through. Just turn my wrist a little bit, and next thing you know, I have nice curls. I have one little section over here left. Here is my last little section that I'm going to pull it through, twist it, and then look, I have curls. Oh my gosh. So it looks like I may have forgot a little section right here. So all I'm going to do is just run it through, keep it moving, and turn it. Oop, my earring's on. That's okay. Who needs these earrings anyway? I'm not going to wear those earrings anyway. Okay. All right. Oh my God. It looks like my hair is done. So let me just show you how great it is. Now that it's done, I'm just going to just run my fingers through my hair. And see, my hair has a nice little wave to it. I didn't want to make the curls too tight. You know, I wanted loose curls, but look at how beautiful that is. And that took me, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. So because it's such just an outstanding device, it really is going to give you just amazing results. Now, once your hair, you have it curled the way you want it, if there's any little pieces, like this looks like a little piece that I miss, you can always go back and fine tune and curl any little pieces. So I'm just going to run it through and just kind of curl it around the flat iron to give me some curls. And oh my God, I am so ready to go out now. Once you get it done, like if you want to go around, just fine tune, like look at this little spot that I forgot. I just want to make sure all of my hair is slightly bumped on the ends. And I just kind of go through and see, did I miss any spots in the back? I think this part needs a little bit more curl, so I'm just going to go around and just curl any little missed spots. See, now that has a curl now. Okay, I like it. What do you think? I really like it. All right, so I am heading to a concert, and my hair is all done, and I am so blessed to have this amazing, amazing device by Mia Beauty. It is just sleek and beautiful and so effective, easy to use. I would highly recommend that you put this on your Christmas wish list, or just put it on your wish list throughout the year, whether it's your birthday, anniversary. It is phenomenal. It is the best, and I love the price point. I love the way it looks. I love the way it works. And most of all, I love that it comes in this really beautiful leopard protective bag. And inside it has like kind of like a material that for some reason, if you put it away when it's still a little bit warm, it's going to still be protected. You don't have to worry about it burning the bag. So it will protect your device, plus it looks really beautiful. So please, gosh, you got to get this. Mia Beauty, you can buy this on miabeauty.com. You will find this information in the notes below this video. And so feel free to post a comment and follow me. And thank you so much for following me, Deidra at Clean Beauty Flow. Thank you and happy holidays.